I've taken too much rice. Hi guys, I'm planning what to have for dinner, so I thought I'll have some Alukumra Bharta, which is going to be made by Dewy. Again, something we saw on Instagram long time ago. You know me, thank you for watching all my vlogs and the efforts I'm making about food, hospitality, travel, dance and makeup. But when it comes down to my daily food, I need ghar ka khana. So we're having Alukumra Bharta and I shall capture the recipe for you guys. Give it a try. It's simple, homely, cozy food. There are 4 potatoes being boiled here and about 200 grams of pumpkin being fried in mustard oil. On a low flame, cover the pumpkin for about 7 to 8 minutes. Pumpkin is fried, keep it aside. Other ingredients, there is 1 onion, some garlic cloves, green chili, coriander and dry red chili. First fry the red chilies. Remove the red chilies once they are fried. Fry the garlic and the onion together. I'm helping Dewy in the kitchen. Now peel the potatoes. Once these potatoes are peeled, they're going to get mixed into the pumpkin. This is almost done. And I'm helping Dewy in the kitchen. I love being in the kitchen. Okay, let's now remove this. Okay, now we're going to make the bharta. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to mash all this. Everything has to get mashed. Add the green chilies also. Now the pumpkin. Also add your potato. At this stage, I'm going to add a little bit of mustard oil and some coriander leaves. And we are almost ready. All you need is some rice and you're good to go. Oof, just look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. I love it. Now this is ready and I'm super hungry. And now I shall plate it and then I should do pet puja. Now this is ready. I've taken too much rice, but I might just end up finishing it. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Simple ghar ka khana is simple ghar ka khana. And in Bengali, as we say, you make a proper dola. Like this. And bon appetit. So good. Alukumra Bharta. Tried a basic tomato bharta for dinner. Wasn't sure if I'll be able to remember the recipe, but seems like I did. So I'm going to share it. For tonight, I wanted to have something chatpata. So we're trying a tomato ka bharta, which I had seen sometime back on Instagram, and we're trying to figure it out. Dewy is going to try and figure it out because we're going to try and remember it, as we don't remember whose video it was. Let's mix this. Now let me see how this will taste. Okay, This is with hot rice. I have to see what this tastes like. We got it right, Debu. So I am a Bangal. I like all kinds of bhartas, and especially if it is chatpata. I saw tomato bharta and I had to go for it. Simple days, simple food.